Good morning students. Welcome to computer online class. Today I am going to talk about scanner. What is a scanner? Scanner, it is used to scan, document and image into a digital form. Scanner. A scanner is the eye of the computer. It can capture images that are placed on it and transfer them to the computer. Those images can then be seen on the monitor. That means whatever image document if you place on the scanner, it will transfer the text format or that image into a digital form, and that one will be shown on your monitor. A scanner converts paper image into digital or electronic images. It consists of a camera. A scanner, it consists of a camera which is made of tiny cells called charge coupled devices. The camera which is having a very tiny cells, and that is known as your charge coupled devices. This helps it to transfer into a electronic devices. Each charge coupled devices transmit a small part of the image to the computer. These cells are so small that it would take more than 3000 CCDs to scan an image. That is the size of a pin head. Understood? See, this CCD transmit is small. It will, when it is converting the image into an electronic image, it will transmit a small part of the images to the computer, and those cells are so small that it would take how many scan 3000 CCDs to scan an image. That is the size of a pin head. Basically, scanner of many types, but we will read here there are three types of scanner. The first one is flat bed scanner. Flat bed scanner. This is an optical scanner where it is placed in a flat surface. The scanner is in a flat shape which make use of flat surface, and it consists of glass. That's why it's known as an optical scanner. It is used to scan in photograph and document in your computer. The next one is seat fed scanner. Seat fed scanner. Seat fed scanner is also same as a flat bed scanner. Its uses are almost same, but the difference is what? Seat fed scanner takes more amounts of pages, and it will only scan paper. It won't scan any 3D images or any books. The last one is handheld scanner. Handheld scanner. The handheld scanner are very small in size. They don't provide so good quality of images, and it takes much time, and it is with hand. How you can use with the help of your hand. Does not provide with good quality because it takes much time, and with the help of your hand you have to deal with this scanner. So see students, these are the three types of scanner. This is the flat bed scanner, seat fed scanner and handheld scanner. So from these three types of scanner, the most popular and very effective scanner is what? Flat bed scanner. The most popular type of scanner is the flat bed scanner, which has a flat glass bed for a scanning surface. And more one scanner is also there, that is your drum scanner. That is more powerful and it gives a best quality of images. So these are the three types of scanner. What is a scanner? You know, scanner, it helps to do scanning your document in images into an digital forms. And there are 3 types of scanner: flat bed scanner, it is also known as your optical scanner, seat set scanner, and handheld scanner. Hope you have understood what are the types of scanner. Thank you students for listening my online class. Take care, be safe at home.